May we have the next question from brother here? Your name and profession.
I am Rajaji, first time New College. And my views are so controversial to him. So, but it is my duty to put my question. He has said that Krishna has married to 16,000 wives. And why can't a Muslim to marry 4 or 5 wives? This shows that you two religions are united in suppressing the women's rights. You have said that you may say that women are so attractive, but it's a personal perspective. And if you find so your views are corrupted and your mind is corrupted, the concept of beauty itself is also changing. Once Cleopatra was beautiful, but it is not so. Now Aishwarya Rai ranks first. And you are also suggested for the original text, but it creates only the fanatics and fundamentalists. When you are convinced to a particular religious ideology, you find no wrong in your crimes. That is the thing which happened in Gujarat, where 2,000 Muslims are murdered in the streets. No God has come, only communists and some Democrats' efforts were there. People are renouncing all the religious values. And for you like persons that it has come to as shock values. Religion is failed and not the people. So please allow the people to free and allow them to join their social movements like communist and Naxalbari movements. That is.
The brother, I believe, is a communist. He's asked a very good question. He's saying that if Hinduism allows and Krishna has married 16,108 wives and Islam allows, so Hinduism and Islam is joining in suppressing the women, according to you. According to him, brother, he's saying Cleopatra was beautiful, today she is not. Aishwarya Rai is number one. For you, not for me. So what is beautiful for you may not be beautiful for me. I do agree with you. It is a perspective. I do agree with you. Aishwarya Rai may be number one for you, not for me. So we realize, brother, the concept